You want out of your 9 to 5. But every guru screams, you need money to make money. Let me tell you right now, that is a complete lie designed to keep you poor. I know because I started with a cracked laptop, $43, and my neighbor's Wi-Fi. Fast forward 3 years, and the exact $0 methods I'm about to show you now deposit thousands of dollars into my bank account while I am literally asleep. In this video, I'm handing you the exact playbook so you can copy every single step. No expensive courses, no building a massive email list, and definitely no pyramid schemes. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to stack these free micro streams and then snowball them into something huge. We're talking zero fluff, just actionable strategies that will actually put money in your bank account. All right, stop scrolling. Seriously, give me 60 seconds, and I will prove to you that you can take something as simple as Google Docs, free stock photos, and a copy-paste link, and turn it into a $20 a day machine. A machine that prints money while you're at work, while you're sleeping, while you're living your life. $20 a day is over $7,000 a year. That could wipe out your credit card debt or pay for an insane vacation without you even touching your paycheck. How good does that sound? Let's build something real. Let's go! This is where everyone messes up. They think you need millions of followers. You don't. Here's the secret. You just need one web page that shows up on Google. That's it. Head over to Amazon Associates right now. They still accept complete beginners, no questions asked. Once you're in, click Product Linking, grab any item under 20 bucks, and then shorten that Amazon link with bit.ly. Why bit.ly? So you can see the clicks coming in and know that it's working. Now, open a free Medium account. Medium is insane because Google already trusts it. Write a simple 300-word review like, I used this $6 garlic press for 30 days. Here's what happened. Be real. Drop your affiliate link in the first paragraph and again at the end. Because Medium has so much power, your post can hit page 1 of Google in less than a week. My very first review for a cheap kitchen gadget got me 68 cents in commission in 48 hours. That sounds like nothing, right? Wrong. That's the proof. Copy-paste that process 10 times and you're making $6 a day. That's free coffee for a month, completely passive. Then you do it for more expensive items. Here's a 200 IQ move. Find the People Also Ask section on Google and answer those exact questions in your review. Google will literally push your article to the top of the search results. Total cost for this method? $0. You can do this. This is genius because Amazon's print-on-demand service is crazy. They will print and ship your book only when someone buys it, meaning you never touch inventory. No boxes, no shipping, nothing. Just open Google Docs and dump whatever you know into it. Your air fryer recipes, your 25 favorite smoothies, a list of journal prompts, anything. Add a free picture, export it to PDF, and upload it to Amazon KDP. Click Publish. It is that simple. Price it at $2.99, and you keep 70%. That's over $2 per sale. Sound small? A dumb recipe book I made in a coffee shop one Saturday has sold 3 copies a day, every day, for 14 months. That's $198 a month for one afternoon of work. Here's a pro tip. Use the free tool Canva to design an insane cover. People 100% judge a book by its cover. A good cover makes them want to buy it instantly. If you know anything, you can do this. Keto smoothies, travel guides, cute cat names for new owners. Every new book you create is another stream of income. Imagine 10 of these books each selling just 2 copies a day. That's $4,000 a year. You just fully funded your Roth IRA. Look around your house. That empty space in your garage is not collecting dust. It could be collecting cash. Neighbor.com is an insane platform that lets you list that empty corner of your garage or your spare closet, and people will pay you to store their stuff. It's genius. I listed a tiny 5 by 8 foot spot in my garage for $35 a month, and it rented in 6 hours. It's literally free money. If you live near a stadium, you could charge $15 for parking on event days. College towns are a gold mine. Just snap a photo, set it to auto-renew, and forget about it. You do literally nothing except unlock the door once. The best part? You're completely insured, so you have zero risk. My garage now brings in $110 every single month. That pays my entire water bill for the year from space I wasn't even using. Total effort? 14 minutes to sign up. It's ridiculously easy. Airports and cities are robbing you with their parking fees. But you can beat the system and turn your own parking spot into a money-making machine. List your unused parking spot on Spot Hero or Simply Park when you're out of town or just at work. A spot near LAX can book for $12 a day. If you list your spot while you're on a 4-day trip, you just pocketed $48 for doing nothing. If you fly 6 times a year, that's almost $300 back in your pocket. Here's a crazy bonus tip. Offer a free tire pressure check. Just watch a YouTube video on how to do it. Buyers will feel like they got an amazing deal and give you 5-star reviews, which means you get even more bookings. $0 invested. It's insane. Opening a brokerage account sounds scary, I get it. But here's the cheat code: fractional shares. You can buy literally 30 cents of Coca-Cola stock. It changes everything. The real trick is automation. Set just $5 a week to automatically go from your bank account into a dividend ETF like VYM or SCHD. $5 is one coffee. You won't even feel it. These ETFs pay you dividends. But the secret sauce is that the companies inside them raise their payouts every year. After 1 year, you'll own $260 of stock that pays you $7 a year for doing absolutely nothing. It sounds laughable, I know, but you never lifted a finger. By year 5, you're getting $40 a year for zero work. Once your other passive income streams start flowing, you just increase the weekly amount. The ultimate goal is to have your dividends pay your phone bill, your internet, your car insurance, all while you sleep. If any of these ideas have made you think, I can actually do that, then do me a huge favor and destroy that like button. It tells the algorithm to show this to more people who need to see this. I'm not selling anything, but if you want a free checklist of every tool I've mentioned, comment checklist down below, and my YouTube robot will instantly reply with the link. It takes 2 seconds. Go do it. YouTube is the obvious one, but let's be smarter. Don't try to be a vlogger. Instead, record your screen teaching one simple Excel trick. No face on camera required. Upload it to YouTube and turn on monetization. Now take that same audio, strip it with a free online tool, and post it as a podcast on Spotify. Boom! 1 piece of work, 2 platforms, double the money. My most boring video, a 5-minute explainer, gets 3,000 views a month, and the podcast version adds another $1.50. Over a year, that one 5-minute recording pays for my Netflix subscription. Imagine having 10 of these. That's 10 tiny soldiers making you money 24/7. The real secret is to answer hyper-specific questions like how to alphabetize in Google Sheets on iPad. Big channels ignore these, so the algorithm has no choice but to show your video. You win by default. Think about your commute. You're already driving your car. What if that drive could pay you? Companies like Carvertise and Repurpose will pay you around 30 cents per mile to put removable ads on your vehicle. It's a professional wrap that turns your car into a mobile billboard that prints money. My friend drives 22 miles to work and clears $130 a month just for his normal commute. It's crazy. They professionally install and remove the wrap, so there's zero damage to your car. You just need a car that's a 2010 model or newer and basic insurance. If you drive for Uber or Lyft, you can literally get paid twice. Your passenger sees the ad, the brand pays you for the impression, and Uber pays you for the ride. You were already driving anyway. Now your trip literally pays for itself. People will pay for shortcuts. This is where you come in. Create a simple weekly planner in Google Sheets, a chore chart, a workout log, anything. Create it once, export it as a PDF, and upload it to Etsy. The cost? $0. I sold a super basic weekly planner template 412 times at $3.49 each. That's $1,153 from one file I made on a Saturday. To make it even better, use Canva to make your templates editable. Buyers love this. Trending niches are gold mines: wedding planners, teacher grade books, keto grocery lists. Once your listing is up, the sales will snowball. After a few months, you'll literally forget it exists until your phone dings. You made a sale. It's like finding free money, but it happens over and over and over. Let's be real. You can't buy a house with pocket change, but you absolutely can buy a tiny piece of one. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul are insane. They let you invest as little as $10 into huge real estate projects that pay you quarterly dividends. $10. Returns average around 7%, which crushes your bank account. Think of this as the tutorial level for real estate investing. You get to see how it all works without having to deal with tenants or toilets. Once your other free methods start making you $1,000 or so, you can move into bigger deals or start saving for your own rental property. The point is to start now, so when the bigger money comes, you already know how to play the game. You know something that other people don't. You need to sell it. Gumroad is an incredible platform that lets you sell a digital product with zero upfront cost. Write a Google Doc titled 30 Headline Templates That Will Double Your Clicks, or The Ultimate Guide to Meal Prepping. Export it to PDF, upload it, and price it at $14.99. Gumroad only takes a tiny cut when you make a sale, so your risk is zero. I shared my first micro course on Twitter and sold 9 copies the first weekend. That's $134 for 90 minutes of work. It's crazy. The platform handles everything. Once that knowledge is packaged, you're literally selling air that makes people's lives better. All right, you have the blueprint. Here's the challenge. Month 1. Pick only one method. Just one. Commit to it for 30 days. Every single dollar you earn, put it into a high-yield savings account. This is how you build momentum. Month 2. Now you can add a second method. If you started with affiliate reviews, turn them into faceless YouTube videos. Month 3. Start automatically channeling a small part of your earnings into that dividend ETF. Set it and forget it. By month 6, if you actually do this, you can realistically have $300 a month in combined passive income. That won't buy you a Lamborghini, but it will wipe out your utility bills or even your car payment. Imagine that freedom. It frees up your paycheck to chase bigger plays. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. It's to replace one bill at a time until your job becomes optional. If this blueprint just saved you hundreds of hours of boring research, I need you to do 2 things for me right now. First, smash that like button so YouTube shows this to more people who need to escape the grind. And second, subscribe, because next week I'm dropping the full vending machine breakdown. How to buy a used one for $400 and put it in a location that will print cash. Turn on notifications so you do not miss it. You now have 11 proven ways to create money out of thin air, starting from zero. There are no more excuses. Your mission is to pick the one that seems easiest, block out 1 hour tonight, and publish something before you go to sleep. The only difference between people who escape the 9-to-5 and those who stay stuck isn't talent or luck. It's the willingness to launch something before it's perfect. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll turn these micro streams into something so big your coworkers won't even understand it. Now go, keep stacking, and remember, money likes speed more than it likes perfection.